name is Mariela Sarkima. I am the Lumene Nordic Beauty Ambassador working as a makeup artist, hairdresser and beauty blogger. Today I want to show you how to achieve one of my favorite makeup looks of the moment, the bare-faced, naturally glowing beauty. The essence of this makeup look is dewy complexion with some touches of subtle glow and soft warmness of the Arctic sun. Apply the veil-like beauty serum with the fingers or by using a brush. The neutral universal tone evens out the complexion, leaving the skin looking fresh and dewy. Its oil-free formula suits every skin type too. Instant Illuminizer gives an extra glow boost to the skin and lifts up the beautiful structure of the face. There are two tones of the Instant Illuminizer, and today I'm gonna use the Rosy Dawn. This one gives the face a subtle and soft glow, while the Shimmering Dusk, which is the pearly one, gives a nice strobing effect. Dab some glow over the highest point of your cheekbones, on the brow bones, bridge of your nose and the cupid's bow. Blend gently by fingers, allowing the glow to mix with your makeup base. Bask the skin in the glowing warmth of the soft Arctic sun with the naturally transparent watercolor bronzer. Drip a few drops of the bronzer on the palm of your hand. Swirl a soft-haired brush in the liquid and glide the bronzer along the cheekbone to create a shape and natural contouring. Naturally glowing, healthy blush enhances the freshness of the look. The unique peachy rose tone of the watercolor blush is perfect for every skin color and age. The easiest way to create a fresh flush is to dab and blend the blush gently to the apples of the cheeks. We've created Invisible Illumination to achieve in minutes fresh and luminous, healthy Nordic glow. These have become a steady part of my own daily beauty ritual, and I'm convinced that you're gonna love them too. Please do share your thoughts and beauty tips with me on Instagram by tagging Lumene and with the hashtags Lumene and Invisible Illumination.